So in order to navigate to your energy monitor clip-on, you're going to want to come to this sensor tab here on the left and open up this menu. Here we can find the filler energy sensor that's been previously set up, and to navigate to its settings, you click these three dots and then sensor settings. That will bring you to this menu here with the basic information where you can change the name. We have it set as filler energy. Now the sensor type by default is counter-accumulate, but when you are doing a clip-on energy monitoring solution, you want to change that to measurement. Once you've set up that as measurement, you can move on to the next page, which is the sensor setup. Now, the type of sensor here is automatically set to PNP. You're going to want to go ahead and change that to analog for an energy monitoring solution. And then use analog input range is the standard option. You can also do a scale input value. If you want more information on that, you can just hover over this question mark here. But typically, we're going to use the analog input range. Now you're going to pick the sensor range of your clip-on energy solution. Standard, that's 4 to 20 milliamps, but it could differ depending on the clip-on sensor that you're using, but let's say 4 to 20 milliamps for the sake of this video. And then you're going to put the sensor rated minimum versus maximum. So here we're going to have 0, and in this case, it's going to be 250, because on the back of the particular clip-on sensor that I'm using right now, the measurement is 250, but you can find that on the back of the sensor should you look at it. You're then going to want to activate the data multiplier because the clip-on is a current sensor, and so we're going to want to convert that current into actual kilowatts consumed. In the European Union, that's going to be 0.23. So if you're operating within the European Union and consuming electricity there, that's going to be the measurement. Outside of that, you can find the formula for calculating this data multiplier in your user manual, or you can contact your Factbird representative who can walk you through how to reach this data multiplier. So that's set up now. We're going to move to this data page. The data unit for a clip-on energy monitor is going to be power. So just select power. And then the label of the data unit is going to be kilowatts because we are measuring this in kilowatts with the data multiplier. Once all of this is set up, you can go ahead and click Update Sensor Configuration. And now your clip-on energy monitor is set up in the Factbird software.